ready to blast your sales through the roof with Follow Up Boss. Let's dive into some advanced strategies to use this CRM like a true boss. First, let's talk lead management beyond the basics. Segment your leads using advanced filters and custom fields. Think demographic data, lead source specifics, or even product interest. This hypersegmentation lets you tailor your messaging for maximum impact. Next up, automation. Don't just trigger basic email sequences. Create multi-stage workflows that adapt based on lead behavior. For example, if a lead opens an email but doesn't click, automatically trigger a personalized follow-up task for a team member. Team collaboration is key. Use shared inboxes and team assignments to ensure no lead falls through the cracks. Implement internal communication channels within Follow Up Boss to share best practices and discuss complex deals in real time. Maximize integrations. Connect Follow Up Boss with your favorite marketing automation platform, dialer, and even your accounting software. This creates a centralized hub for all your sales activities, eliminating data silos. Leverage reporting and analytics. Don't just look at surface-level metrics. Dive deep into conversion rates by lead source, team member performance, and even the effectiveness of specific email templates. Use these insights to continuously optimize your strategy. Master the calendar and task management features. Schedule appointments directly from Follow Up Boss. Set reminders for critical follow-ups, and use task lists to stay organized and on top of your priorities. By implementing these advanced strategies, you'll streamline your workflows, improve team efficiency, and ultimately, drive significant sales growth. So go ahead, take control, and use Follow Up Boss like a boss.